you someone who hates going for parties because you feel absolutely out of place? You don't know what to talk, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to behave, you don't know whether you should sit in one corner, how should you mingle amongst people. You're so socially awkward, so to say. You start feeling uncomfortable, you start feeling powerless. Well, honestly speaking, the fact is that even the most successful and the most socially active people have gone through this at some point in time. And with the right attitude and the right skills, you too can become a social dynamo, so to say. Hi, my name is Ratika Seth. I'm a life enhancement coach. I'm the founder of the Gratitude Concepts Tribe and the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. And today I'm here to share 6 habits that will help you deal with your social awkwardness. So, number 1, active listening. Be an active listener. You don't always have to talk. If you're not comfortable talking, it's okay. At least be an active listener. Listen, respond not by words but by your actions, your expressions. Expressions also speak 1,000 words. So be an active listener and participate listening to a conversation. Number 2, eye contact. Maintain an eye contact. Whenever you are talking to someone, look at them in the eye and talk. And you know what? This is the biggest secret. Everybody who looks at you while you are talking to them in the eye will feel that you are talking with a lot of confidence. Now, you may not be confident inside, but it does not show. You are oozing confidence, my friend, the minute you are looking at somebody into the eye and talking. So maintain this eye contact. Number 3, positive attitude. A good attitude is always contagious. Laugh, joke, show you're having fun, show you're enjoying, and if you get the chance, even crack joke on yourself. Humor and jokes is a great icebreaker. So crack jokes. Crack jokes on yourself if need be, but have the conversation which is really light-hearted and full of laughter. Show you're having fun. Now, number 4, start open-ended conversations. Don't ask questions which are likely to end in a yes or a no or a maybe, because then you will not know what to say next. So have conversations which are more on the lines of, a suggestion or an opinion or a thought process. Because when you ask people about certain things which are their thought process or their opinion or their suggestion, they are likely to go on, and the conversation is likely to continue for a longer time. Number 5, body language. This is very important, my friend. You cannot have drooping shoulders and you cannot, be mumbling and showing you're having a lot of fun. Fun comes with energy. You have to show you're high on energy. And your body language has to second that for you. You cannot have a body language which is showing boredom. You cannot have a body language which is showing, oh my God, what do I do next? How do I get out of here? And then pretend to say that, oh, I'm really having fun. So your body language, your posture, gestures, movement, they all combine to tell a story. And last but not the least, be authentic. Be yourself. Be yourself. Because people can see through people. People will see through you if you are full of pretense. People will see through you if, you are talking something which is not true. People can see through people. Be authentic. The more authentic you are, the more honest you are, you will attract people who are like you. And then, as they say, your vibe is your tribe. You will have your own tribe and you will no longer be socially awkward, because you will be, amongst people who are like-minded, who are talking and, behaving and believing in almost the same things as you do. So be authentic. You don't need to be born an extrovert to become a social ninja. With practice, you can overcome any social obstacle and become a master of any room as long as you are authentic. So, if you resonated with this episode, like, comment, share, give me your ideas on any topic pertaining to life enhancement you would like to know more about, and follow me on Instagram at the rate Gratitude Concepts by Ratika Seth for your daily dose of inspiration. That's all for now. More power, more gratitude to all of you out there. This is Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off till my next podcast. Bye bye.